Hi friends, Siddharth again. Today's video upon what are the most important things that you should do the moment you land in Germany on job seekers visa. Now friends, this video is in continuation with my last video called Anmeldung. The link is there, please have a look at it. In addition to that video, there are many more things that you need to do. So let's assume that you have landed in Germany and you have already booked a flat or in an apartment and you have reached that flat. So what are the next steps that you must do? So friends, obviously the first 24 hours you will be taking rest. So obviously friends, the first day when you land in your flat, you will be so tired that probably you would love to take a sleep. After you wake up, that is on the next day, what you should do? So friends, the most important thing that you should do is paste your name on the post box. Now here you must understand how the things work. Here your address is not with your house name, rather it is with your surname. Remember friends, surname is more important than your main name. I am 100% sure friends that whichever city you land in and whichever flat you live in, there will be a post box in front of that house wherein your name should be pasted there, and only based on your name letters will be received on your post box. So make sure that once you reach your flat, your name is definitely there on your post box.
I'll show you how my post box looks like. So here we go. This is my main door of the building. And do you see friends, these are the post box. And here every name is written and this is my name.
Next step. Most likely you will be given 4 set of keys. Now before I talk about keys, I would like to tell you friends, keep these keys very safely, just as safe as your passport and your other documents. Trust me friends, if you lose these keys, you may be fined up to 500 euros in addition to the headache and troubles. So make sure that whatever keys you receive, you keep it extremely safely. Now what are the keys that you are expected to receive? So most likely friends, you will be receiving 4 set of keys. One key will be the house key, which opens the door of your house. Second key will be your room's key, which will be very exclusive to your room. The third key will be the Haupt key, that's most likely the key of the main door of your building. And the fourth key will be your post box key. Make sure friends, you receive these 4 keys and keep it very safely. There are chances that you may receive a 5th key as well, and this 5th key is normally of the Keller. Keller simply means a basement. Here in most accommodation or in flats or apartments, there is always a Keller, which is the basement, which is underground the building, and there is a small room wherein you can keep your extra luggage, extra stuff there.
Now this is the key of main door of the building. And we go inside. The stairs goes up and there are stairs which goes down as well. And this goes to Keller or basement. As you see, there is a small Keller for almost every person living in this building. And I am going to my Keller. And here is my Keller. Non-used items are normally kept inside. It's like a storeroom, typical storeroom that we have in our homes.
Now, as I mentioned in my previous Anmeldung video, you have to do Anmeldung at the topmost priority. So for this purpose friends, you have to follow up with your roommate, your Hauptmieter, or probably the owner of the house. They will be initiating your documentation process only when you reach the room, because you will be required to sign up on the documents. So now it is your responsibility to follow up with them. Parallelly friends, the next thing that you should do is follow up with Rathaus. You may check the website of the concerned Rathaus, which is the municipality wherein you are supposed to do your Anmeldung. Try to call them and ask whether you can directly go to Rathaus and do Anmeldung, or you need a termin, that is an appointment. There is also a possibility friends that you may do your Anmeldung online, which probably will be the best option for you. Now a tip from my side friends, whenever you pay any amount, maybe your monthly rent or your deposit of the flat, make sure that you pay only online. This is most important friends, because when you receive a job, your Ausländerbehörde may ask you to prove that you are staying in this house. An Anmeldung does not prove that you are actually staying in this house. So how can you prove that you are staying in this house? Only your online monthly payment receipts can prove this. So make sure that whatever payment you do to your house meter or to your owner or to the administrative company, you always pay it online and make sure that you retain the receipt of that payment. So friends, once you are done with your Anmeldung, you will soon receive a radio bill. Now radio bill definitely pains everybody because you have to pay 18 euros extra from the pocket, but unfortunately friends, there is no escape route. Radio bill is unfortunately exempted only for those people who cannot see, who cannot hear. Now after your Anmeldung friends, you will also receive two very important documents. One of them will be your Steuernummer, that is your tax number. Preserve this document for your lifetime friends. This is the number that you will require many times in your career. The other important document that you will be receiving is your German social security number, that is your Sozialversicherung number. This is equally important friends, and you will be asked many times in your future life. Now on the second day, you may want to get a mobile connection. Getting a mobile connection here in Germany is comparatively very easy. You only require your passport. Now how to choose a mobile provider? So friends, there are multiple options like Leica Mobile, Vodafone, Telefonica, so many operators are there. You can choose any of them depending on the current running schemes. Have a look at their websites and find out which one suits you the best. So let's say you are done with all these formalities. Now you would like to open up your bank account. Opening a bank account also is not very hard here. I will take an example of Commerce Bank, which is a very popular bank here, and I also own an account in this bank only. Now note here friends, they keep changing their schemes. As per my last update, they were charging some 5 euros monthly for a new bank account, subject to some terms and conditions. There is one more bank known as N26, and as per my last update, they were offering free account opening, but they were charging 10 euros for a debit card. I hope friends my video was informative. Please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video as well. Thank you and bye-bye.